Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your heat every 4 times of the week. Now before we actually go further, you know what to do, bro. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we drop you some heat. Now without no further ado, let's jump straight to this video. So what I got for you today, I have a beat. I have a Tory Lanez beat, cause it's a Tory Lanez, Drumkit. Yeah. So I have a beat, free beat for profit, and I have a drum kit, and it has midis inside of it. So before I actually jump into the drum kit, I'm gonna go ahead and play the beat. But I'm not playing the whole thing. I just want you to just hear, just a little bit of it, just get an idea. So go ahead and play that for you. Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Believers Radio. So yeah, man, that's the beat, bro. So the beat's gonna be wrapped up, the zip folder when you get it. After you download it, the beat's gonna be in there, so don't worry about it. So in today's agenda is the drum kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and play the midis. So I'm gonna drop the first midi, team up midi, which is 120 BPM. I'm gonna go ahead and play that for you. Alright, that's the first MIDI. Play the second MIDI, which is 95 BPM. Let me just go ahead and change. I didn't change the BPM for this. Sorry for that. Let me just go ahead and change this one. 95 BPM, There we go. Alright, I'll play the third MIDI, which is 97 BPM. Let me change the BPM just here, just a little bit. Alright. Alright. Alright, feeling, which is 140 BPM. Let me just change the BPM here just a little bit. Alright, 40. Alright, man, that's it for the MIDI. So I'm gonna go ahead and play you the drums. So I'm gonna start with the kicks. Play the snares now. Snares and the claps. Alright, play the percussion. Hi-hats. Nice. So yeah, man, you can just hear it for yourself, man. I'm not gassing you up or anything, man. I'm not guessing. There's no guessing here, bro. This shit is real, bro. It's nice. You gotta get this drum kit. You know, you'll enjoy it. So everything here is set for you to actually make, crazy stuff, crazy beats. The midis, the drums, everything you need to actually make, great content. So without no further ado, I'm gonna let you go ahead and play around with it, with this drum kit. And if you guys have any suggestions, please go ahead and load them up in the comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, please make sure that you actually subscribe and hit that notification bell. So without no further ado, I'm gonna let you go ahead and play around with it. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye.
Believers Radio.